Do you know that every time you unlock your phone with face recognition you are using AI? From Instagram filters to Google Maps, AI is everywhere, but what exactly is it? Let me explain. Artificial intelligence, or AI, means machines that can think or act like humans. They can learn from data, make decisions, and even improve over time just like we do. It's not magic, it's math and data working. Let's see some examples. First, Google search, it shows the best results using AI. Second, YouTube recommendations, the reason you are watching this video. Third, face unlock or fingerprint, AI recognizes patterns. Fourth, ChatGPT or virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, or even me. Fifth, self-driving cars, AI helps them see the road and make decisions. All of these use something called machine learning, where the AI improves as it gets more data. Liked this simple explanation? I post one short tech video every day. Follow the channel so you don't miss tomorrow's topic.